Before you set up the Breeze in the home, you're going to want to adjust the settings on the Breeze website before you start your test.
We're going to go to the top left portion of the screen under Options and click Settings. The first settings that we're going to adjust are the report settings. We can change the radon reading units, the temperature units, and the pressure units. The Show Chart option will display a graph on the second page of the report that will show all of the radon readings that were taken during the time of the test. Show Phone Number will show the customer your phone number on the report. Show Email will show your email on the report. Send Report to Client. This is an automated report that gets sent to the client after the test is complete. Under Device Notifications, you have three options. Send Pickup Notification, which basically will send you a notification via email once the test is complete. Send Tamper Notification, which will tell you whether or not the device has been tampered with. That will alert you via email as well. And then Send Powered Off Notification. This will send you an email whenever the device has been powered off. Under User Settings, you can adjust the time zone. Right now, we are currently in Indiana in the United States, so we will select US, Indiana. If you'd like to see all your devices in one spot, at the top left portion of the screen under Options, we're going to click Manage Devices. In here, we have all of our devices that are in our inventory displayed in one spot. From here, you can see serial number, firmware version, last reading, last coordinates, the status, whether or not the device is in use, currently in a test, and the location of the device if it is in a test. We can also go over to the Actions drop-down on the far right. We can view the raw data feed. This will show you all the data that's been collected over the entire life that you've had this device. Or we can go to View on Map, which will show us the last known location of the device. Let's click View Data Feed to see our raw data. In the raw data feed to the far left, we can see the timestamp when the data was collected and uploaded to the system. Next to that, we have Radon PCIL, picocuries per liter. Going further to the right, we have our longitude and latitude, our temperature, humidity, and pressure, and whether or not the device has been tampered with. To close this window, we just need to go to the top left and click Close. Now let's view it on the map. We're going to go to our Actions bar on the right, click View on Map, and this will show us the last location of the device. You can zoom in just like you would in Google Maps, and it will even show you the data that Google Maps has logged into their system as well. To close out, we go to the X at the top right of that window. To start a test, we're going to go back up to the top left of the screen under Options and click Start Test. We can organize this by the inspection date, today, last 7 days, last 14 days, last 30 days. We can search for address, distance, or name, or we can do a custom criteria in search. Today, we're going to start a test by clicking the plus button. Once we've clicked the plus button, we can enter all of our information for the test. First name, last name, email, and this would be the email of the client, phone number, street of where the test is being conducted, city, state, zip code, inspection date. Adjust the hour with the bar down at the bottom, and the minutes just below that. Hit close when you're done. Inspector name. When you've completed this, select Create Appointment, and you're ready to go. Next, we're going to click Start Test. This will give you the start, end, date, and time for the test that you're doing. When you're done, click Close. Enter the location that you are placing the device for the test. In this case, we are putting it in the basement. Then select your device from the dropdown. When you've completed this, click Start Test. At the top right, you'll see the blue box that says Success, Radon Test Started. Now that we've started the test, if we need to make any adjustments, we'll have to go to View Tests. Go to the top left of the screen under Options again, click View Tests. This will show us all of our current and past tests that we've done. You can organize these by status. You can search for any test you've done, any tests that have been analyzed, any tests that have been released, or any that are currently testing. You can also search for the test under any criteria: address, client, inspection date, inspector, status, devices, start time, end time, using the search bar in the middle top of the screen. If you'd like to make adjustments to the test, go to the far right of the screen under the Actions dropdown. Here you can see we have Edit Test, View Data. That'll show you the data that has been collected for that test, or View Map. This will show you the last location that the device had given during the test. To log out of the Breeze website, we're going to go to the top left again under Options, click Log Out, and we're done.